Hi, my name is Bre, and this is my sister Brett, and we want to chat a little bit about sound therapy. So a sound bath is a deep meditative practice that uses the healing power of vibration and sound frequency. So frequency is just the rate at which something is vibrating, and everything vibrates. Even when it looks like it's still, when you break it down to the atoms and the particles, it's all vibrating. So all things in the universe are vibrating, and that includes our physical bodies. When the body is out of balance, it stops vibrating at a healthy frequency, causing energetic blockages and dis-ease. Sound healing sends sound waves into your body, bringing it back into balance, creating an overall healing experience. And something that Abraham Hicks say is that we live in a vibrational universe, and you are a vibrational match to everything in your life. Just like the law of gravity, we also have this universal law called the law of attraction. This states that what you put out vibrationally, you will get back. And now these instruments are tuned to very high and healing frequencies. One of the coolest things about sound therapy is that all you have to do is lie down and your body, your brain waves, and your heartbeat will entrain to the high frequencies of these instruments, and that's why you leave feeling so good after a sound bath. And it's also important to know that we don't just perceive sound through our ears, but through our skin and our bones as well. And sound travels through water about 4 times faster than any other medium. And because our bodies are over 70% water, sound is a really important tool for our bodies. And our bodies are excellent receivers of sound as well. And just like a massage therapist would massage the body, a sound therapist vibrates the body at a cellular level and back into balance. Thank you guys so much, and we hope to see you soon. Namaste. Namaste. All right, we did it. That's it, right? We're good?